Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. I just came back from work. I had to do some cleaning in driveway since I'm in landscaping, as you might know, and it's the time of the year to do it. So I was anxious to come back though, because it's been a while that I was thinking about doing a special painting with a lot of products in it. The last time we did try with Linseed. Is it the good word? I have a tongue twister sometimes, I don't know why. Linseed oil that we did last time. I think the result was nice, but it wasn't that great. Well, like I say, it's nice, but it didn't have the wow effect. So I was thinking about doing another one, but this time with silicone, white glue, linseed, and what? A Floetrol. So there's a lot of products involved, but I think, well, I'm not sure what's going to happen. We know that for a fact it's going to do some sales, but we'll see the mix, what happens with it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go and try it. So guys, I think the finish is great. I'm not sure how it's gonna look because, like always, I'm showing it to you once it's dry, but I don't see it since I just finished it. My first impression is that if you like cells, you're gonna love it. That's for sure, because there's a thousand and thousand of cells. I think it's very nice, though I'm, like you must know, I'm not a big fan of cells, but I think this time the mix between the colors we did, it's nice because you can see each and every one of them. It's very detailed. Well, there's something to say about too much detail, it's like not enough, but like I said, it's always subjective, but if you like cells, you're gonna love it, that's for sure. I think that there's a multitude of details in it, so I think it's nice. I don't know what's gonna happen. It looks like when you see it on the side, it's like there's some relief on it, so I think it's kind of nice. Well, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're gonna try it because, like I said, it's nice. I know that often we try some products and there's not always a lot of details between the products, but we have to say this time there's a lot of details. There's so much details that you cannot reproduce this much detail with only one product. You achieve it with all the products that we use. Anyway, it's all products that it does make cells, so of course there must have been something between all of them to have this result, but I think it's very nice. I hope you like it too, and like I say, I hope you're gonna try it. Next time, I'm not sure it's gonna be next time, but I'm studying right now how to mix oil paint to do a pouring with oil paint. I know it's been done, not a lot of people like it because what happened is sometimes it can take up to 3 weeks to dry, so that's not fun. But I think the color, the deepness between the colors, it's such a difference and it's very nice. So I'm gonna have to try it, that's for sure. So in a couple of days, I'm not sure when, but we're gonna try it, that's for sure. So guys, like always, thanks for being here, and I hope you're gonna come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share, it's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.